Hey guys, I have been given yet another great opportunity, and that is to unbox the Pixel 6 Pro. This one is the 128 gig model in Stormy Black. So, hashtag Team Pixel. Let's go. Alright, so this is something that a lot of people have been waiting for because Google hasn't delivered in quite a while, starting from the Pixel 4 XL, where they refused to add a, what was it? I believe it was the ultra wide, because they felt like people didn't use it much. So they only had two cameras, the regular and the regular wide and the zoom, I believe. I could be mixing it up. They could have had the ultra wide and they just didn't have the zoom. Either way, they only had two when most companies, actually all companies, are coming out with three camera arrays. And let me be right back. All right, got exactly what I needed. And did I? Nope, I didn't break any skin. All right, exactly what I needed to open this box. Hopefully it's exactly what I needed. Whoop. Play nice, come on. All right, that's one side. Going for the other. Wish me luck. Looks like we're playing Operation here. Well, in terms of unboxing experience, I guess, if I'm to compare, the iPhone was definitely a lot easier to unbox. A lot more simple. Whereas the Pixel 6 Pro is not doing me any favors, and I have ruined a perfectly fine box. Anyways, here we are. So here's how the cutout looks for in the box, or how the cutout looks in the box. A little bummed that I had to kind of mutilate the box right there. I do prefer to have my boxes as pristine as possible. Let's go ahead and just put it down there. And here's the Pixel 6 Pro in Stormy Black. Right, so the Pixel 6 line that Google was coming out with back in October of 2021 was supposed to be the big one. They were supposed to redeem themselves because the Pixel 5 was mediocre. Pixel 4 XL is where they kind of dropped the ball, not having the triple camera array when every other manufacturer started coming out with the triple camera array. And they just, they're hitting a rough patch. But with the Pixel 6 Pro, they are supposed to bring back the competition and kind of get the other manufacturers sweating. But before I go on, let's take a look at the body, at the back of the Pixel 6 Pro. So this is something that's going to be polarizing in terms of design. The whole bar for the camera array are on the back. For me personally, I don't mind it. I like it. I know a lot of people have been talking about how it's nice that it goes all the way across so you don't have the, kind of when you're on the table doing this with one hand, it doesn't shake. For me, I don't really do that in the first place, so it never really mattered to me. And I am the type of person that would very much be more comfortable with a case on it anyways. And usually when you put a case on, it makes the whole back flat flush with the camera anyways, so it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Not much of a sound on that one. All right, that's fine. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the box before we move on. So we got, of course, Google followed suit. No charging brick. And we have the USB-C to USB-C, and we have a USB-A to USB-C adapter for when you want to transfer things, maybe from an old phone to this one, and it has a USB-A to USB-C cable or something like that. I mean, you could use it for other stuff too. I'm pretty sure you could probably use it as a USB adapter for your laptop, for example. I know the new MacBook Pro I got, it's all USB-C now, so that would come in handy for sure. You know what? In fact, yeah, I'll probably take that out so that I could use it later. Thanks, Google. And then we have the paperwork bundled with the SIM card ejection tool, which Google's design for a SIM card ejection tool is completely circular. It's a circle. I'm just gonna. Okay, we'll just leave that alone. Alrighty, then we will put this back as if nothing happened. Alright, still bummed out about the box, but whatever. It is what it is, life goes on. So, here, once again, is the Pixel 6 Pro. We have, as you can see, a two-tone separated by the camera bar. We have a slightly gray color to a darker black. And there's 3 cameras right here, along with a very big looking flash. So I'm very much looking forward to seeing how the camera on this phone will work out. Again, I was given the opportunity to unbox this phone, so I don't know if I'll be able to pull out a review for it, but if I can, I'll definitely deliver for you guys. That's pretty much it, yeah, for the unboxing. I mean, I can show you guys, here's the volume rocker along with the power button. I don't know if you guys can see that. Volume rocker right there, power button right there. SIM card on the left side of the phone, nothing on top, and then nothing on bottom, obviously, other than the charging port and then the speaker grills. Or the speaker holes, and then the speaker grill is on top, very small. They do have a punch hole camera for the front facing camera. They do not have a notch like they did on the Pixel 4 XL, which honestly, I never tried the Pixel 4's Face ID, or their rendition of the Face ID, but I heard it was really good, very quick. I heard that the fingerprint, under display fingerprint scanner that the Pixel 6 Pro has is not that great, because I believe it's an optical fingerprint scanner as opposed to a ultrasonic fingerprint scanner or some other kind of technology that is much faster. So we'll have to see how that works out, but we'll see if I have any issues with this Pixel 6 Pro, because that has been plaguing them for a month now. Well, I mean, it's already February, so it's been a bit of a while, but I know they have had issues, and I haven't been keeping up to date, so I don't know if most of the issues are fixed for most people or if they are still having those issues. I know some people were totally fine with their units, so it does seem to be kind of a random lottery for people who have good phones and people who have phones that are prone to the issues that are scouring the internet. But I'll have to see. So thank you guys for watching this unboxing video, and I will try to again deliver a review video if I can of this. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.